You know what the horns are actually made out of? There you go, nicely done. Put the feather back to myself. Same thing as your hair and fingernails. And what is that? No, not cartilage, close. Protein palm, carrot. Yeah, nicely done. Well, that's what take out. That's we can figure out. So the next time you're feeling down, how about a nice teaspoonful of hair and toenails? That sound good? Well, by coming to the zoo and supporting us, you're supporting rhino conservation because we are a research, conservation, and educational organization. We can examine